Wanna learn how to watch together using Facebook Messenger on mobile? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to watch together any of the video with two or more than two accounts on Messenger, first of all you need to open the Messenger app just like this, and then you need to make a video call to a particular account that you want to watch any of the video together with. For that, tap on the account, make a video call by tapping on this video call icon on the top. So as you do it, you'll have an option of swipe up. Below you can see here is an option of swipe up for more. Swipe up here. And below you can see an option of watch together, above share your screen. Tap on watch together. You can watch the suggested one. Music has been given to you right over here, and even the watched one that you watch together. So I am going to choose one from music. You can choose of your own just like this. So yes, currently both of the accounts are watching together this particular video. So this is how you do it. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.